Howdy everyone. Today I'm going to be going over a phylogenetic tree or a rooted tree diagram to show the evolutionary trends and speciation of the watch. That's going to be the example I'm going to use. So here we can see the root of the tree diagram. That is basically that's a parent of this. This is where watches evolved to either have a steel band, as we can see over here, or a leather band. So we'll start with the outgroup, which is basically the group that diverged and started evolving independently. We could say that the steel band was the original one and that the leather band evolved from that, and this is where it split. This is cladogenesis, an example where basically you follow the tree up, cladogenesis. It's where one species diverges into two separate ones instead of just evolving independently due to environmental factors or genetic factors too. Can be either one. Anyways, steel band evolved basically here. We can see the internal node of cladogenesis where the steel band evolved to either have dark gray coloration or silver. And then the silver band once again evolved to either have a blue face or a white face. And this is our stainless steel outgroup of the tree. And then over here, we can follow the leather band evolution. And basically how that went was we have the leather band, common ancestor here of all the leather bands. And so we can call that the most recent common ancestor of all the leather bands. So here, it's split, cladogenesis, boom, into having a black bezel, so kind of like this outer rim. And the black bezel either can have two hands, evolved to have two hands, or one singular one. And the other groups evolved silver bezels, excuse me. And here it's split into having planets as the hands or having regular hands. And then the regular hand group evolved to either have an interior crown, as you can see there, or an exterior one. And a few vocab words to just cover. Basically, OTUs, operational taxonomic units, are in this case just going to be the different species or groups of watches at the end. And anagenesis is another term, which is basically cladogenesis is when a species splits into two separate ones. So we can clearly see here, like we had one common ancestor split into two different kinds, and anagenesis is when one species just evolves directly from here into like dark gray, for example.